Welcome back to another LEGO build. This is the Harry Potter Monster Book of Monsters. There is an awesome story behind how I came to have this, but I'm not sure it's 100% legal, so I'm not going to say it on YouTube. I got to check out what the statute of limitations is on Legos, which is such a ridiculous thing to think of. But this looks super awesome, and I am very excited to build this. So without any further ado, let's see this sped up for your convenience. And this is the Monster Book of Monsters, which I love the size comparison of the Lego minifig versus the book. That makes this book 1,000 times scarier if that is the size comparison of book to people. It has this awesome little wheel contraption on the bottom that as it spins opens and closes the mouth, but it does not work real well on my table or mat. But this looks kind of awesome. I'm definitely digging the teeth and the eyes. Now all I need is a shelf to put it on, which I am running out of space at my place. Keep an eye out for more LEGO builds and also more just fun stuff in general on this channel. Thank you guys for taking time out of your day to check this out. It means the world to me. Don't forget to hit those buttons down below, the like and subscribe, turn on the notifications. Big thank you to my Patreon subscribers whose names are going to pop up at the end of this video. And don't forget, once we hit 20 subscribers on Patreon, which we're only 9 away from, we have an Everyone is Awesome Lego set that we are raffling off there. So I will catch you guys on the flip side. Love y'all. Later days.